Well, it's been a long time, but the virtual room is still standing. Some lights in here. And the room is back. Thing. What the hell was I building with the thing? Oh, the thing. Concept piece. Yeah, we're not going to worry about the thing. We'll leave the thing where it is. All my room's still standing. Helm's weave. Corundum. I gotta remember all my controls. Corundum. Never really liked corundum. 4 and 1. Definitely slower moving around here than I used to be. 4 and 1. Now, for those of you that are interested, all these virtual tutorials where I built all these rooms are available on my YouTube channel still. I have not removed anything. You might have to search for it a little bit. Just look for the name of the weave. It's 4 and 1. Go look at the King's Mail. King's Mail is basically 4 and 1, just more rings. Yeah, they changed my controls up, but it has been 2 years. Persian. Yeah, we're just going to leave the failure room where it is. Box chain. I did fill it in. Byzantine, my personal favorite. You can make sheets out of it, bracelets, necklaces, all that fun jazz. A belt like I did once upon a time. Rondo. Color version doesn't look great, but the silver does. Very specific AR ratios on the rings for that one. Japanese, that's what you need for your jelly cubes. Very simple. But put the Japanese together and you can get a jelly cube. Everybody loved the jelly cubes. Although I got way too many colors going on with that cube. I still got plenty of empty rooms I gotta fill in. Stepping stones. Yeah, that one's alright. But now that I'm coming back from my 2-year sabbatical, that's what I'm calling it, I will get back to making my YouTube videos and my online tutorials in my VR room. And filling up the rest of these chambers. Just give me a little time. I got some stuff to sort out. Come on. You stay. There we go. What the hell do I have here? A box. I don't know what that was for. Yeet. Oh, it's good to be back. Spent a lot of time in this virtual studio. A lot of time. All right, I'm out.